Monotonic function. Monotonic function can be all increasing or all decreasing function. So let me give you an example here. Say, for example, you have something like this and something like this. Okay, and let me make it properly. You have this function, this is fx, and this is some other function gx. Okay, then you pick up some value of x here, and you pick up some value of x here. For that value of x, this is the value of the function. For this value of x, this is the value of the function. So x1, x2, f of x1, f of x2. As you moved from a lower value of x to a higher value of x, the value of the function also increased. This is sort of an increasing function. Okay, it increases. What about this function? You pick up two values of the function. You pick up x1 and x2. At x1, the value of the function is gx1, and x2 value of the function is gx2. So as you move from x1 to x2, as you increase the value of x1 to x2 in this interval I, then fx1, this gx1 is greater than gx2. Okay, so are you getting the point? So the point is that this function is decreasing over this interval. So let me give you a proper definition now, which is for one for the strictly increasing function, that is given any x1 and x2, x1, x2 from interval I with x1 less than x2 if fx1 is less than fx2, then fx is an increasing function, on I. Okay, x1 less than x2, and this function is increasing. Now, other definition is for the decreasing function, that is given any x1, x2 from I, you pick up any x1 and x2 from interval I, with x1 less than x2. Okay, x1 less